What's up, you all? Welcome back to your favorite channel, She's Expression, and I look all dolled up because it's gonna be a different video today. So, फॉर दिस व्हिडिओ या व्हिडिओसाठी मला खूप आधीपासून सजेशन्स आणि रेकमेंडेशन्स येत होते की असा काहीतरी व्हिडिओ बनव. बट आय वॉज व्हेरी रिलेक्टंट अबाउट मेकिंग दिस व्हिडिओ बिकॉज मी कधीच असं काही केलं नाही आहे माझ्या चॅनलवरती. बिकॉज आय एम व्हेरी यूज टू द नॉर्मल लाईफस्टाईल व्हिडिओज. बिकॉज ते कसे इझी असतात. जसं तुम्ही आहात घरी जे करताय तुम्ही जस्ट कीप डुईंग दॅट. बट this is gonna be my first fashion hack video on my channel and I'm a bit nervous, not a bit, a lot nervous because I'm not sure yaar. But जसं काही असेल, I am gonna try my best to give you the best fashion hacks that I use, I apply. सो माझ्याकडे खूप कपडे म्हणजे खूप जास्त कपडे आहेत. सो वॉट आय युजली डू इज, मला रिपीट करायला जास्त आवडत नाहीत कपडे. आय डोंट नो वाय बट दॅट्स हाऊ आय एम. सो वॉट आय डू इज की जे काही कपडे आहेत त्यांना मी सम ऑर दी अदर वे स्टाईल करून घालत असते. सो दॅट इट्स लाईक ओके आय एम वेअरिंग समथिंग एल्स टुडे, नॉट द सेम थिंग. सो दिस इज हाऊ आय डू. So this is the cord dress that I have, which I purchased for my birthday in 2019 because आणि त्यानंतर कधी घातलाच नाही गेला because 2020 went bad and 2021 is going worst. So this cord dress I'm gonna style it in like different ways and put in front of you guys ki how I'm gonna wear this. So without any further ado, let's get into the video because ह्याच्यामध्ये बोलणं is pointless rather than you guys to watch it and understand what exactly I want to explain over here. So without any further ado, let's get into the video now. Okay, so for the first look we're gonna be using this short. So this is a cute little short that I and my friend bought. Actually she bought for herself, but then she did not fit in well into this. This was like 2 to 3 years back when we went to Goa. So she bought this for herself, but she did not fit in well into this, and they fitted me really well. So I took them and I did wore it in Goa. If you follow me on Instagram then you might know that. So yeah, we're gonna use this and to pair with the top of the cord dress, and here is this look. So this is how it looks. Quite beachy look and quite really gives you all the beachy vibe. And if you're going for a picnic or staycation and if you have a swimming pool near, you can try this look out for sure. So yeah, this was about the first look. For the second look, I am gonna be using my palazzo pants. So these are my palazzo pants. Like I have worn them in one of my nephew's birthday party. So these are like really cute and I like them, and I think so contrast wise these are gonna go well with the top cord ka. So this is how it looks. So this is the look and it looks really well, and you can just wear it for some party or like casually somewhere if you're going out with friends for a dinner or whatever. So you can just try this look and you are good to go. For the third look, I'm keeping it quite basic. This is the thing that each and every one of us have. So I am gonna be using denim jeans pant, and you can just, if you have a white denim it's well and good, you'll go like a dark shade because I don't have it right now with me, so I can't show you. So I'm just gonna use this normal jeans pant and pair it with this. So this is how it looks and it goes really well. And if you feel it a bit incomplete over this, so to add something on this, pair it up with a pair of full sleeves shirt like this, and you are good to rock the look. See how it looks. And I think so it's very much casual if you're going out for shopping or day wear. I feel it's a day wear look, so kahin bhi din mein ja rahe honge, you can just try out this look. Also, if you have a pair of denim shorts, you can try this look on denim short as well. A vodka top and denim shorts, and upar this shirt will really go well onto it. So trust me, you can try that. Next look, I have a skirt which I usually used to wear for meetings. Like if I go out for meetings, I used to wear this skirt, black skirt. This is kind of a formal skirt that I have, and this is how it looks on the cord ka top, and this is one of my favorite looks आज के दिन का. I'm just loving this look, and let me know how do you find this, because this one is my favorite look. So yeah, so you can wear this out for a dinner date or any evening party, because I feel this is an evening look. So wherever you're going out for a dinner or some party or birthday party, whatever, you can just wear this one and rock the party, rock the vibe. Next look, what do I have over here? This is like, so I'm not doing it right away because I wore that thing in my friend's wedding. So I used this top like a blouse and wore it on my sari, like wore a sari on it, and this is how it looks. So it really looked well. I just loved the look. In fact, everybody loved it, and this is again one of my favorite looks with that top, and it rocked, like literally rocked. So you can also use it like a blouse, why not? So yeah, you can try it like that. Of the top ka look, now let's go back to the pants. Now let's see how we can style differently this pant ka look. So firstly, the top that I am wearing, yes, we're gonna style it with the pants. So this is how it looks, and it looks really good, very comfortable. You can wear it casually, दिन में कहीं भी जा रहे हो shopping वॉपिंग, you can wear it like that, casual time kind of, and it feels really light on your body, and you were just rocking the look. So you can try this simple look and feel comfortable and rock the look. So yeah, the next look with the pant is again a simple look. So if you have any cami top like this, so you can just use it, you can wear it like this onto it, and it looks really well, like goes really well. Again, it is comfortable, you can wear it for a day thing, or even in evening party or something, not party but a casual dinner with friends, family, whoever. So yeah, you can wear this if you don't have any other option. Then light, comfortable, and good to rock the party. And the final look for the day that we have is very much authentic, ethnic, and very comfortable. So with the pants, you can just take any kurti, normal kurti that you have, and just pair it like this, and you were just so good to rock any occasion like festival or whatever that you are. Actually, I didn't find a normal so you can go it without a dupatta as well, but if you have a dupatta, it's really good, it's well and good, and you can just have a dupatta that matches to your pant का color, and then nobody would make out कि तुमने किसी और कपड़े के साथ पेयर करके ये कपड़ा बनाया है. So because ये complete एक ड्रेस का लुक ही लग जाएगा. So yeah, good to rock any occasion, like कोई पूजा जा रहे हो या कुछ भी, you can wear it like that. So that's how it looks, and I think so not bad. Okay guys, so this is all about this video. It was very difficult first time, and I am पहले से ही sorry if there's something wrong or I'm under delivering something than your expectation, because खूप गरम होत होतं आणि this was my first time. I had no clue like मी कसं काय करणार आहे, and doing it on an individual basis, there was no help because भावाची एक्झाम चालली आहे and he's busy with that thing, so he was not here to help me to shoot. So I'm really sorry if तुमच्या expectation प्रमाणे मी काहीही under deliver केलं असेल तर. I'll make sure and try to be better next time, but any which ways it was a very difficult task. I hope you understand it. Also let me know in the comment section how did you find these looks, different looks, and which was your favorite look. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It was a lot of effort, okay? Please subscribe, please like, please share and also comment तुमको जो अच्छा लगा हो, तुम्हाला जे आवडलं आहे, जो लुक आवडला आहे, whatever, any suggestions from your end are most welcome. And that is it. I'll see you guys soon in my next vlog. Until then, stay home, take care and stay happy.